Today, we are taking a look at the Dodge Dakota Sport Pickup Truck Kit from Lindberg. The 1/25th scale curbside kit, and it is today's What's in the Box. So this kit got initially released in 1998 as part of their Super Snap Ultra series of kits. And then it also was released as kind of like a pre-built die-cast type kit, if you want to call it that. And then in 2006 was the last time it got a reissue, and it is the one we are looking at today. All right, let's check it out. And getting started now with the cab and bed, and you can see they are two pieces. And as you can see, obviously the body is molded in a nice shade of bright glossy red. And the door handle has been painted for you. And the area behind the grill has been painted black as well for you. Gloss, but it's still black, so, that was nice of them. And now we're going to take a look at some of the body pieces that are separate. First, the tailgate, which does not give you the option to open it or close it. It's going to be put up in either the open or closed position. Part of the front bumper. The rear bumper, which has been painted with a gloss black. Pretty sure that part of the rear bumper on the real ones is not a nice shiny gloss black. And the grill. Now taking a look at the chassis piece, frame piece, and some other parts. And so much like all the other Lindberg kits of that era, of the late 90s Super Snap kits, pretty much all the underside detail is molded into the chassis, metal axles. And then up here you have steering wheel, one of the mirrors, steering column, gauge cluster piece for the dash, part of the bumper piece there. And moving on to the more of the interior parts, and there's the other missing rearview mirror, the interior bucket, which has a good amount of detail, to be honest. The interior door panel looks pretty good. Good amount of detail there. You have the front seats, which are two-piece seats. And the dashboard. Take a look at the tires now. The roundy rounds, you get 5 of them. Obviously one for the spare. They are a set of Goodyear Wrangler RTSs, I believe. And now we're going to take a look at the chrome parts tree. Had a couple pieces fall off, and they are going to be the headlight lenses, which are obviously unfortunately chrome plated, and the turn signal part has already been pre-painted for you. So I don't know if you could be able to remove the paint without removing the chrome to redo it with something like a Sharpie or something. I think a Sharpie would look better. And the wheels. And over here you have the spare tire wheel, mirror faces, and the chrome pieces for the front for the driving lights, fog lights for the front bumper. And now I'm going to take a look at the clear parts. First, the window, the one-piece window unit. And the taillights. As you can see, have also been painted. The backup lights, the backup lenses have been painted white. And they do not look very good. And up there's the third mountain high stoplight. And the last couple of things to look at. First, the bag that has the axles and screws in, and the decal sheet. Which you can see gives you options depending on if you want to just build it out of the box, mold it in red, or if you're going to go ahead and paint it a different color. They give you decals in different colors, so you can do that. And some really cool checkered pattern decals for the side. Sarcasm included. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Dodge Dakota Sport 4x4 kit from Lindberg Models. These are getting hard and rare now, and expensive. I got lucky and managed to snag this one for like $25, which is cheap for what they've been going for. They've been going for north of $40, give or take. The last one I tried to get was in the $30 range, so I got lucky, obviously, and got this one for about $10 less, but I was kicking myself for not buying that other one. But they're not cheap when you do find them. When they were first released back, or the second time they were released, I wasn't back in the hobby then, and I didn't get one the first time, so anyways. And yes, I'm pretty sure if you want to get yourself some Dodge Dakota color matched paint from Jameson at Scalefinishes, I think he can hook that up for you. So, on that note, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.